I will show you a picture for rich girls in Sri Lanka. As your face, like I think you are face like Salman Khan or Ritik
Oh
Roshan.
no
Then
no no!
my
I
friend.
am I'm not Salman Khan. I'm not Ritik Roshan. I'm Koshal Kumar. So you can show my picture, not others.
Your name is Koshal.
Yes, my name is Koshal. What's your name?
You're from India.
Yeah, I'm from India.
I'm from Sri Lanka and my name is Isuru Anjana.
Suranjan?
Suru Anjana.
Suranjan. Okay.
I study no. You are working.
I am not studying and not working. I'm just chilling.
You live with your parents.
Yeah, I live with
Uh,
my parents. That's why I'm not doing anything.
so, what is your age?
You can guess my age.
19,
No, I am older than
25.
24.
Okay. Then you never think to do anything.
No, I don't feel like I wanna do anything.
Right, right. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Then as 24 age boy, what did you think about the future of you?
Future. You mean what I'm thinking in
Yeah, what did you?
future?
Mm, yeah, in future, what did you do? What did you think? Uh, what kind of things you have in your mind?
Oh, future. Okay, let me think.
You can tell the truth because I'm not proposal for you. That's why. Don't tell lie. I never do anything. I just like boys. So tell the
Okay,
truth. I'm also telling things.
let me
Okay.
think what I am doing. I will do in future.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I think I will do in future job, better job. I will
What
do
kind of
some.
job?
I will do some talking related job, communication related, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then how much you think to earn monthly as you live in? What is your expenses at as you are thinking? How much you think to earn in a month?
Oh, it's depend on company norms and as far as my role, I think so.
Okay, then
Yeah.
I have two options in your future. First one is you have some proper job. You can, but you need to do hard works and go go need to get it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's the first one. You
Okay.
need to well educate and do a lot of work to get it. But after it, you can get a very rich as that job. You have very big salary. Okay, in the first one. Then the second one is you doing nothing, right? You doing nothing. You can
Yeah,
stay like this.
it's a
Okay,
better job you like
okay.
doing nothing.
No, wait. I'm not telling, but the second option is you are doing nothing, but you are very rich because you are marrying a girl that she is very rich. What option you are choosing?
Okay, okay, let me think. Let me think.
Mm,
Option is first option is like I am doing
mm.
good job. Second option is
Yeah,
I'm doing nothing
yeah,
and I will marry with
yeah,
a rich girl.
yeah.
So first I think I need to find rich girl. After that I will tell you this question also. Yeah.
Then I think you are doing.
Okay. First, if
I will show you a picture for rich girls in Sri Lanka. As your face, like I think you are face like Salman Khan or Ritik
Oh
Roshan.
no
Then
no no!
myself.
I'm not Salman Khan. I'm not Ritik Roshan. I'm Koshal Kumar. So you can show my picture, not others.